Mississippi is known all over the country for its manufacturing. There are companies throughout the state producing everything from cars to rockets to furniture. Manufacturing employs over 100,000 people, meaning that there are a ton of opportunities, no matter where in the state you live. And most of the skills you need require technical expertise you can easily get at one of our amazing community colleges or universities, oftentimes in less than a year. Places like Kevin Charles Furniture and H.M. Richards Furniture create many of the chairs and sofas you see in your house. There are jobs working with linens and cottons, creating the foundations of these furniture pieces, all the way to the warehouses that store and ship these products to the rest of the U.S. At Hawkeye Industries, you can work with the latest and most innovative advanced manufacturing technology to create custom sheet metal and tubular components for clients all over the Southeast. Courses are offered all over the state for technical certificates or associate's degrees in areas like construction technology, industrial maintenance technology, and precision machining technology. Maybe building giant trucks are more your thing. New Way Automotive in Boonville is one of the largest manufacturers in North America of trash and recycling equipment. These trucks are used by cities and counties all over the country. And PACCAR Engine Company creates parts for those giant semi-trucks you see on the highway. They are one of the largest truck manufacturers in the world, and they have jobs right here in Mississippi. Tombigby Tooling, just outside of Tupelo, hires expert tool makers to design and create parts for some of the most common appliances in your house, from cooking ranges to washing machines to HVAC systems. Degrees or certificates in welding and cutting technology would help you get a job at a company like Southern Cast Products in Meridian. You can do everything from casting to molding to analysis. They work with some of the biggest transportation industries in the U.S., like railroads and defense contractors. Almost all community colleges and universities in Mississippi have degrees and programs in manufacturing. If you're interested, check out the Mississippi Colleges section of the app. Once you pick a college, look for the Degree and Majors button to find the manufacturing program to fit you.